Hey, just going to talk for a couple of minutes on the minimum focus distance of your lens and using a close-up filter in order to get physically closer to your flowers or other small subjects in order to do macro without a macro lens, which is nice. Okay, so say I want to take pictures of this pink flower right here. Okay, so right now my distance from this flower is a couple of feet, and I'm finding that I can't actually focus on that flower. The autofocus just will not do it, nor will manual. So I actually have to physically back up in order to take a shot of that flower. And when I do, I zoom my lens in. This is as big as I can make the flower in my image. Now, I just recently got this ProMaster, let's turn that thing upside down so we can actually see it, ProMaster filter. This is the 72 millimeter, and that's because it fits the front element of my lens, and I got the +5 magnification. When I put that filter on, I have taken the focusing distance, which was several feet, and now I am just a matter of a few inches. And I actually really love this ProMaster 5X filter for getting super close. So here's the flowers just, with my phone. I want to show you the difference between, this is the Canon 500D, and that's about how close you can focus. And you can see how much bigger everything gets when you get the ProMaster on there. It just has a stronger magnification than that 500D, which allows you to get closer, which makes the images bigger in your frame. But just remember, when it comes to using these types of filters, that you physically have to get up and move. You've got to move the camera closer to the subject in order for them to be able to focus. If you're too far away, it simply will not focus. All right, hope you've enjoyed the comparison. Good luck with your macro.